Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Recon Jeep Mods. My name is Robin, and here is my TJ Gladiator-ish project. As you can see, the tub is removed, and that's what this episode is all about. How to remove the tub from the TJ. So, after the intro. When I had removed all the body bolts from the TJ, the plan was to roll it out from the garage into the carport, strap the tub to the ceiling and put it down there. Lift it off the chassis and roll the chassis back out into the garage. Kommer det funka tror ni? Vi provar. Ja, lite, eller hur? Hela den här ska lyftas av. Hur det går? Det är därför jag har satt upp de här. Jag ska lyfta hela jeepen här.
Lyft inte upp den killen klockan uppe.
So, some sketchy stuff is going on as always. 4 ratchet straps holding up the whole tub, and I think it's enough clearance to get the chassis out. We'll see. At least there are nothing attached between the tub and the chassis right now, so it's totally free here. They are separated and it's still hanging there, but here it is, the chassis. Rust, but when I'm done with it, it's gonna be no rust at all. Whew, yeah, this was a big fight to get it off. Fuel tank, body mounts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. There they are. Okay, I'm gonna continue pushing it out and into the garage here. So yeah, okay, see you soon. It's done. It's in the garage, and I can continue with a beer, of course, and then remove axles, brackets, engine. So it's gonna be a bare frame, and I will start over from that. Yeah. So this is how the chassis is looking right now. I'm in the phase of removing the stuff. I removed the brake lines going this side of the frame rail. I'm gonna remove it right now, actually. The exhaust system. So I'm gonna remove everything. I'm gonna cut off the old brackets and go from there, build up from beginning. Today I also picked up the sheaths. Yeah, the wheels. I don't know if you can see anything. I don't think you can. Maybe like that. Anyhow, can you guess the size, tire brand, and model? Comment below. I hope you like the sketchy solution for the top. If you like this, thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. Now I'm gonna start cutting and see you next time. Bye.